Demographic, technological, and economic forces are driving transformation of care systems worldwide. The cost of care continues to rise. Medically needy and aging populations require more support for complex conditions. Traditional approaches to treatment are unsustainable. Transformation is needed, and innovative leaders are taking action. IBM Smarter Care Solutions are helping organizations uncover insights into vulnerable populations, developing individualized approaches to care by accounting for clinical, behavioral, and social indicators of health, ultimately to provide better care while lowering costs. The IBM Curum solution for care management, the coordination component of IBM Smarter Care, uses a differential response model to address high-risk and high-cost populations. Once vulnerable individuals are identified, the solution allows care coordinators to initiate needs-based assessments, obtaining a holistic view across all indicators of health, clinical, social, and behavioral. The solution supports multidisciplinary team collaboration, enabling providers, doctors, social workers, and care coordinators to deliver the care that individuals need. Take Vincent, injured at work. He's overweight, has diabetes, and is suffering from depression due to his inability to work. He can't afford nutritious food and risks losing his home. Without intervention, Vincent is at risk for additional health issues. Fortunately, his physician is part of a Smarter Care network of coordinated providers and can refer Vincent to a care program for at-risk individuals. The solution displays Vincent's information, including clinical data from multiple electronic medical records, to give a better understanding of his history. It walks the coordinator through a process to assess Vincent's medical, social, and behavioral needs, and can display Vincent's history through a single longitudinal record. Most importantly, the solution provides an environment where Vincent's care team can develop a holistic plan to address all of his barriers, refer him to other programs and providers, and collaborate in support of more comprehensive treatment. Care plans address a wide range of physical, behavioral, and social goals, such as patient compliance, behavioral and nutritional counseling, financial independence, and the ability to return to work. If Vincent's plan is impacted by unforeseen events, like hospital readmission, automated alerts notify his care team, and his plan is modified to reflect the change. Through the patient portal, Vincent and his family can view his plan, track appointments, and communicate with his team. This kind of interaction is critical to patient compliance and empowerment. The IBM Curum solution for care management enables a holistic approach, helping providers deliver better care at lower costs, and empowering vulnerable people with a path toward wellness and self-sufficiency.